What's going on, guys? It's time to get off of the old Hot Wheels collection and start talking about, yeah, I know my room's a mess. Bass season. This ain't all my bass stuff. This is just some I have. This is just extras. Most of my stuff's in the old tackle box. I guess we'll start out with the old boxes right here. Work our way through. Got some Arky hooks, which I bought them. See why they had them on sale. They are the flimsiest hooks I've ever seen in my life. They're weighted, and I've used them, caught bass on them, but it bent. Pretty bad. Got a little, I've caught crappie and bluegill and bass, but it's for bass, I guess. They're square bill. Back over there, and you need to look at. Got two of these mystery tackle box. I guess it's a deep water diving or deep diving crankbait. That's an older one. Mystery tackle box, river to sea diving frog. Camera, there it is. Come with an extra set of legs. This old jewel right here, it's a rappel. Got my first big bass on this. I retired, it didn't look this bad. I mean, you can tell I've used it a lot. Here's my papa's. He bought it in like the 70s, and he used it, and he took me one time and I used it and caught a 4-pound bass with it, and he said, you can have it, and I just kept it. Can't use it, he's dead and gone now, but got like a spotted salmon, I guess, swim bait. It's got two outlets, and you can hook it here, I guess, for wounded, and then up here for just regular swim bait. Got hooks on both sides. Got you bobbers. And another bobber now. That's about all that's in this outdoor angler box. And then a Yum bass kit. Just got this the other day. It had more stuff in it, but I've done got it organized. We'll get to that. Got these big long purple worms. It's kind of like a Berkeley pear worm, but I ain't never fished with these. People said they're really, really good. And then I got some of these like green seeded lizards. Never fished with them. I'll be doing that. I'm going to fish. Today is, let's see, what is it? Today's Thursday? Because I got work today. Today's Thursday, and I'll be going to my aunt's Sunday. Be leaving Sunday for Georgia. I'm going fishing down there. Now we get to that's about everyday use when I get to go fishing. Cloudy, nice, topwater frog, topwater bait. That's like a medium diving crankbait right there. I know, medium diving crankbait. A little old fly. A 3/16 ounce Strike King jig with Excite Cryle, green and blue bait on it. Like a small bass or something. Hanging like a small, which I've caught bass on. A chatterbait. Mystery tackle box sent me that. Lipless is what it is. That's just like, smaller Yum dingers. It's like this green seed. It ain't a green pumpkin. That's the next one we're getting to them. Some hooks, another chatterbait. This one come in the Yum kit, actually. I don't know if it was posted, but it did. Another one comes from this tackle box, still heavier one. I don't know what it's supposed to be. Never caught anything on them. And these are like nothing, you know, like finesse hooks and sinkers. Bleeding shad, which was given to me. Hooks, more hooks. These are what I like using for like the shimmy sticks and the young dingers, disease like this. Plenty of bass for them. Like I said, that there's that other deep diving. Two more bobbers in here. Got some swivels and clips, topwater bait, repeller. Got like a little feather tail in the back of it. Another old crankbait. I don't use it, but I've got it. Favorite soft bait, like for shimmy sticks. I mean, Strike King, Green Pumpkin. And then I've got some finesse worms, Zoom. Green Pumpkin finesse worms. And then I got some young dingers that are the Carolina Pumpkin, which would be these down here. I put some else here at the green tail. Some others, I can't remember what color them are. Actually, it's got two different ones. Got the short ones in there, like the green and red. And then I got some more young dingers that are the June bug color. I really like them, they're good. Then you've always got to have some Zoom Super Flukes albino ones. I need some white ones. These albino ones are pretty good. Berkeley pliers, cutters, and like a grip right there. Oh, there's later. Some of these for the fish has got a hook way down in its mouth. A very, very deep diving crankbait. It's coming in river to sea, I believe. Maybe? No. They come in a mystery tackle box. No. A couple of Lake Fork things that don't really say what these are. I guess it'd be like good for I really don't know. And then you look at all the different things it shows. Some Sidewinder 5.5 inch black neon worms with a rattle chamber at the tail, which I take that off because we don't need it. Right here's the Excite, the crawls that I had on the 3/16 ounce, 3/16 ounce jig. Got some little finesse TRDs, copper truce right there. There'll be things, Ned rig does good with them. Some Gambler creature baits, which are not shut, which is not good. Creature baits. I got some of these rivets right here. And I got some Zoom Horny Toad Green Pumpkin. And got a spinnerbait, yellow. Eel pile, number size 4 hooks, good for bluegill. A bunch of leaders down there, which I use them sometimes. Some 25-pound test Berkeley Traveling Big Game. This is on all of my fishing boats, or all my fishing reels, I should say. Every one of them. I'll put all this in a minute, and I'll go ahead and show you my reels and my rods. Boy, it's gonna be fun. I don't know if I can get them out of here. Should be up to. Okay, we'll just slide them right up there. I have got a Mitchell impact rod with an Abu Garcia reel, a Pinnacle, let me make sure, yeah, Pinnacle dual layer correction power tip with a Quantum reel on it. Yeah, I'd use it. My cousin, he let me use it for deep sea fishing. It's a little rusty. Purple worms hooked up. Let's see if I squeeze too. Let's see if we can find these others. Yes, here they are. Browning medallion rod with a Abu Garcia Black Max bait caster. Throwing one of the lizards on it. I ain't got to use it yet. Got that. Very nice. Like it a lot. It's a good rod and reel setup. And now, this is what I use to catch my, I catch bass and all, but this is my go-to one. It's spinning rod. It's got one of the June Bug Yum dingers on it. Durango rod. Quantum Q-Ray reel. All in, like I said, 25-pound test. And I just got a couple extra reels I can show you all. Shakespeare is broke. I don't use it as backup because if I have to have it, I never use it though. These I do use, I just switch them in and out of Fluger bait caster. Really nice reel. I do use that one. I have used this one to Daiwa. Used this one a couple times. This is the cheapest reel I got. That's bait caster wise, but it's really, really good. A Shakespeare Ease Cast. Really nice. I like it. But guys, I guess that's gonna be it, because that's all my fishing stuff. And I'll put it all back up now. But yeah, like I said, these are some short young dingers hooked up and ready to go. Another one of the purple worms. It don't look purple, but it is. Got a finesse worm hooked up with a sinker head, so it'll sit up like this in the water. Some big catfish hooks. Yeah, that's about all I got for you. Just keep fishing. And as one of my all-time favorite YouTubers for fishing videos, John B, go by his motto: just don't stop. Just don't do it. See you later.